I'm excited to try this one. Let me drink some water ताकि flavor समझ में आए. Welcome back to another episode of, oh my god, I started telling vlogmas. No. First of all, happy new year, and in today's video we're gonna try a lot of snacks. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video of 2025, and this is the first video. Hopefully I think this is the first video you're gonna see on my channel, and in today's video it's gonna be some interesting one. So this bag full of snacks that I recently ordered from Blinkit, and we will be trying all these snacks here, but the catch here is that this is not the ordinary Indian snacks we have that we are used to and we are just afraid of trying them. These are the Korean snacks that I ordered this time from Blinkit, and let me show you. So this is how they look like. My YouTube feed and my Instagram feed is flooded with Korean skincare, Korean snacks and everything that's related to Korean, and I want to indulge in it. And also I have, my roommate happens to be freak of this Korean snacks, and she used to make me taste a lot. I have tried before. It's not the first time I'm trying this Korean snacks. I've tried other Korean snacks as well, and I know how they taste like, but these are particularly which I have chosen from Blinkit are my first try, and it's gonna be my honest feedback and review how these snacks are. So without any further delay, now we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel, so take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's get quickly jump into the video. Okay, so let me show you first what all I have in here. So we have some crackers. These are all from the same brand, which is called Nongshim. I have came across this brand earlier also. So these are some crackers. Of course I have to have a the ramen or noodles kind of thing. I have, it's the hot and spicy Korean chicken noodles. So I have some sweet stuff because I'm a sweet tooth. So I got this choco pies as well. So I got this Oreo choco pie thing in two flavors. One is the strawberry and one the mango, and we will try. So let's dive into first with the basic one. Okay, so first starting with the onion drinks. This is called the Nongshim onion flavored drinks, and this is how it looks like. This had this made in Korea. It is from here. Okay. Okay, so अरे ये तो मिलता है local trends में भी ऐसे crackers, but these are not the spicy ones. No, बिल्कुल ही ऐसे कोई भी flavored top up नहीं है. But let me test it. This actually tastes like these rice crackers. Very crunchy. Can you hear? I don't know if you can hear or not, but very crunchy. That's nice. It's very basic. As says, it's onion flavored drinks. It's a basic one, just some onion flavoring, and there is a sweet aftertaste of this drinks. I don't know why. Initially, I love the flavor because it's got this little bit salt and onion flavor जैसे भी है, and after some time you get this sweet aftertaste. I pretty much love this. Like it. It's pretty good, very basic. I think it's the way we are used to the Lay's green flavor, the cream cheese flavor Lay's. Here we eat in India. It's like similar to that. It's a very basic plain, matlab easy to go wala snack I guess. And it tastes good. I'm into the third one. I like it quite because I am into bland taste. See, I love Lay's yellow flavor, the salt one. So what you can expect. I love this. Oh no. But I don't like the sweet aftertaste. That's good. This thumbs up. I could have really rated this snacks a 4, but I do not like that sweet aftertaste, so it will be like 3.5-ish. I think it's better. It might change if I try the rest of the month. So okay, so let's now. We have two similar kind of crackers right here. Both are like this shrimp flavor. So first let me try this. So first let's try this one. It looks pretty tempting. पूरा जैसे इसे prawns का जो भी smell, the packaging itself open करते I can smell the shrimps. Okay, it's that the order is very sharp. Okay, interesting. It's interesting. No. This crackers exactly tastes like what it is in the packaging. Packaging में जैसा भी है, it tastes the same. It tastes like a shrimp, and it tastes like a shrimp. It means the flavor is very much one, and it's so strong. I do not really like. It's in a form of cracker, I understand, but the flavoring is very, very strong, and the first taste in your mouth, like how fishes taste the same, just in a cracker form. So this one is basically like 3 for me, not more than that. I will rate 3. I do not like. मुझे shrimp बहुत पसंद है, but not in a form of crackers. इतना भी मैं पसंद नहीं करती हूँ. It's just okay, not great, not something I would like to mix a cracker and a fish together, although it's shrimp is not a fish, but any kind of seafood. It's like okay-ish. For me, I can rate this like a 3, not a great fan. So moving to the next one, again we have the shrimp flavored crackers. So also everything you can see it is made in Korea, and every leveling is done. So I'm assuming these are like the authentic ones, and I'm trying the best and the authentic. So yeah, let's quickly. The smell of this one is not as strong as the last one, so I am interested to try this, and this is how it looks like. If you see the difference, this is the difference. This is the previous one and this is the new one. देखने में तो दोनों ही same ही हैं. थोड़ा सा color different है. You know what? This one I like more than this packaging going on right here, because इसका flavoring is like so strong. It's like you are eating shrimp, and this is more milder but spicier. You know, the smell is not that strong, so I like it. Yeah. And every snacks of theirs has this sweet aftertaste. So it's something you have to, you know, develop. Yeah, that is true. I don't think I will be able to finish all these snacks. So anyways, so moving to some next thing. That's all we have in snacks. I do have this savory, which I will try at the end. Okay, now moving to some sweet stuff. Right here we have, so first I will try my favorite one, which is the mango. May open it from here. So this is how the packaging look like. It's pretty cute. So this particular brand, which is called Orien, it's really available in India as well. It's an alternative of the Lotte Choco Pie we have. So let me try and test it. Same like how the Lotte Choco Pie is or the Orien pie is. It's looked exactly the same. And now let me try it. I tell you what it reminds me of. This mango bite, the YOLO mango bites, पार्ले का mango bite आता है, उसके अंदर जो भी फीलिंग है मैंगो का, जो लिक्विड एकदम प्रॉपर राइट मैंगो का जो फीलिंग है, इट हैज एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग. इट इज सो गुड. Let me show you. It has this white same that cream, and underneath it has the mango cream. Mango जो भी बोलो, cream बोलो या फिर mango pulp, exact of the this mango bite. It is so good. Best. I will rate it 5 on 5 because I love mango. This Oreo mango flavor gonna be like 5 on 5 for me. I just loved it. Too good. Now I'm excited to try the strawberry one as well. So let me quickly open it from here. It's written, and so let's try. Now this one comes 6 packets आता है इसमें, and this retails for ₹90. I think it's cool. 90 for 6. Okay, so let me now open, and this is how it looks like. Let me open it. And ऐसे outside से तो सब same ही है. I'm excited to try this one. Two in one. This one tastes amazing. This is so good. Amazing. The strawberry flavor of this one, too good. इंडिया में क्यों नहीं मिलता है डिफरेंट फ्लेवर का लॉटी चोको पाई? Now it's available, of course. It's cool. And it's too good. It also for me gonna be 5. Full 5. I love it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Okay, so moving to the next one. Now this one I have to make, and then I will give a review, and I'm also too full right now, so आप इसी वीडियो में देखोगे इसका रिव्यू, but I will not do currently. थोड़ी देर बाद जब मेरा स्नैक टाइम होगा इवनिंग में, मैं तभी इसको ट्राई करूंगी, and I will give you the review over there. So this is a Nissin spicy Korean ramen bowl. Yeah, cup, and it's like you have to just pour some hot water and you have to prepare it. It's pretty simple. हम लोग hostel में ये कितना बनाते थे, ये cup noodles kind of thing. So this is a Nissin, this spicy Korean ramen. I will try it in the evening and I will let you know how it tastes and how it look like. मैं इसका दिखा भी दूंगी मैं कैसे prepare करती हूँ. और मैंने इस वीडियो में यही रामेन को ऑर्डर किया क्योंकि द बुलडक दैट कम्स, आई हैव ट्राइड इट, इट टेस्ट गुड ऑल्सो. आई हैव शोन यू इन शॉर्ट्स ऑल्सो इन माई हॉस्टल डेज में कैसे मैं बनाती थी, बिकॉज माई रूममेट वॉज सच अ fan of this Korean snacks and she used to love it. She used to bring back full of the snacks, and I will put an image and show how we used to do. And yeah, that's how I started indulging in this Korean snacks and all. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Do let me know क्या क्या मुझे और try करना चाहिए and any suggestions I would love to try. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.